Hello, what is your name?
My name is Analisa Bartenia,
How old are you?
43 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes,
Do you have kids?
yes.
How many kids you have?
4 kids,
How old are they?
17, 14, 10, and 7.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
4 years and 3 months.
Okay, so do you have any work experience in our countries?
No,
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
3 months.
Okay, what's your employer living in?
Living in Revels Bay,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,780.
How many family member there?
Only one
How old?
for at the 40
40 years old.
years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 6 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
I start cleaning,
Mm-hmm.
cooking,
Mm-hmm.
preparing the lunch,
Okay.
and then cleaning the house.
Okay, so do you go market?
I go market every week.
Okay. So what time you cook for the dinner?
I cook dinner 7 o'clock,
What time they eat?
8 o'clock.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
I go to bed 10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.